Can we do it then?
Drones may look simple when they fly in the sky, but behind every flight is a complex process of engineering, testing, and precision manufacturing. Welcome inside the drone manufacturing ecosystem of Garuda Aerospace, where advanced aerial systems are designed and built for real-world missions. Every drone begins with design. Engineers carefully plan the structure, aerodynamics, and internal systems to ensure the drone can handle different environments, from agricultural fields and industrial sites to disaster zones. Once the design is finalized, manufacturing begins. Lightweight, yet durable frames are assembled using specialized materials that allow drones to remain stable while carrying payloads like cameras, spray systems, or sensors. Next comes the installation of critical components. Motors, flight controllers, GPS modules, batteries, and communication systems are integrated carefully to ensure reliable performance during flight. But building the drone is only part of the process. Every drone must pass multiple quality checks. Engineers test motor performance, battery stability, navigation systems, and communication links to ensure the drone operates safely and efficiently. After assembly and testing, drones move to field trials. Here, they are flown in real conditions to verify stability, control, and mission capability before being deployed for actual operations. This attention to detail ensures that every drone leaving the facility is ready for demanding tasks. Whether it's precision agriculture, industrial inspections, mapping projects, or emergency response. Drone manufacturing is not just about building machines. It's about building technology that solves real problems. And with companies like Garuda Aerospace, India's drone industry is steadily developing the capabilities needed to power the future of aerial innovation.